If your Rheem Tankless water heater shows error code P1, don't panic. This is a common issue and it usually points to insufficient water flow, not a major system failure. In this quick guide, I'll explain what the P1 error means, how to fix it, and when you may need professional help. The P1 error code appears when your Rheem tankless water heater does not detect the minimum water flow required to activate heating. Tankless systems rely on steady flow to safely turn on the heating elements, and when flow drops below the safe threshold, the unit shuts down to prevent damage. Start troubleshooting by checking water pressure, which should typically fall between 15 and 150 pounds per square inches. Low household pressure is one of the most common causes. Next, inspect the water inlet filter and clean or replace it if it's clogged, as debris buildup can severely restrict flow. Also, remove and clean the cold water inlet screen, which often traps sediment and blocks water movement. These three steps resolve most P1 errors quickly. If the error continues, inspect the circulation line for kinks, blockages, or leaks. P1 errors commonly appear after installing a recirculation pump, especially if the pump is incompatible or improperly configured. If the error occurs when the circulation line heats up, this strongly indicates a flow imbalance caused by the pump. At this point, flow testing or professional inspection may be required. To prevent future P1 errors, perform regular maintenance, including system flushing and routine filter cleaning. Consistent upkeep keeps water flow stable and your heater running efficiently.